Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 23rd, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Sunday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only way. In today's we got the GFS model run for the forecast for the next till next weekend. I'm gonna run it till next Sunday. So that way you get a chance to see what the weather pattern is going to be across the United States for the next 7 days. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. We're going to take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories. We're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today, for your Monday and Tuesday outlook, because we do have some severe weather in this forecast. Okay. If you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and you're in. That's all you have to do. Simple as 1, 2, 3. And also like these videos and share these videos, and let's get the show on the road. Alrighty, we're looking at the GFS model run here. We're going to be taking a look at it. It starts off at 2 p.m. this afternoon. As you can see, we got a band of precipitation extending from portions of southern Canada all the way through the northeastern United States, all the way back down this area, and will we continue to move off to the east. I would not be surprised tonight across the portion of the southeastern United States you might get a little bit of rainfall possibly tonight, so just want to let you know about that. Snow over southern Canada, and also we have snow and rain over southern Canada, and also some rain showers over Washington and Oregon State. Alright, let's go ahead and head on into your Monday forecast. We're going to start it off at 8 a.m. Tomorrow morning. As you can see, we do have that shower and snow shower activity still extending from southern Canada offshore over to the coastal waters of the southeast coast. Southern Florida, you're still getting in on some shower activity. We're still watching this little blob of precipitation down here in the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to be a states. We still got snow and rain showers over portions of the northwestern U.S. as well. Alright, as we continue later, we're going to stop it at 8 a.m. On the 25th, that Tuesday. We got fair weather still. We got precipitation still offshore over southern Florida. Still got rain and snow over southern Canada and portions of the northeast U.S. Still got some snow shower along the Great Lakes region from the South Dakota back in the portion of Illinois and Indiana. Some Missouri and over toward Colorado. Over toward Kansas and Missouri. Still got snow and rain over Colorado and portion of Utah and Montana and portion of Arizona and Idaho as well. And as we continue to go forward, we're going to go into the 26th. We're going to stop it at 8 a.m. As you can see, we got rain and snow over the Great Lakes region, snow over southern Canada, rain and snow over portions of southern Canada there as well. Still got snow and rain over Colorado and portions of over towards South Dakota and eastern Wyoming. Also, we got rain showers extending from, like I said, southeast Colorado all the way into Texas and over into Louisiana and all the way back into North Carolina. Still got some snow, rain showers over toward the east coast of Florida. Alright, as we continue to go forward in time, there goes one system. Let me back it up here. 2 p.m. On the 26th, we have showers, thunderstorm maybe over the southeast, stack into Colorado. We've got some snow flying there. Got some mixed precipitation over the Great Lake region, and also portions of southern Canada and the northeastern U.S. Also back into portions of southern Canada as well. Alrighty, let's move on to the next graphic. We're going to go on to the 27th. Stop it at 8 a.m. There goes that shield of rain. Continue to push offshore. Should be through the day on Thursday. Should be okay for the Carolinas. A little break. But then more activity moves in again for your Friday as another low pressure tracks across the southeast and bring more rain to the region. more rain and snow showers back over to the Pacific Northwest and northern plains. Still got a 1,002 millibar setting over southwest Minnesota, bringing some showers to you guys, and also over southern Kansas. Also got snow showers still in Colorado, Utah, and also portions of Montana, and also western North Dakota. And let's go ahead, and that system continue to pull away from the region on Saturday. And then we got another system over in the portions of the middle portion of the country, over around Colorado and Nebraska and Kansas, getting a little bit of rain and snow mixture. Also up towards Utah and Wyoming and not Utah, but Wyoming and Montana. Y'all getting in on some mixed precipitation as well. There goes that low pressure, brought that rain to the area. Moving on offshore. And we're going to stop 2 p.m. Sunday. Here's a 995 millibar low pressure system. Got a trailing cold front. Still got shower and thunderstorm activity over the Gulf and into Florida. And as we continue to round out the month of April, you see we got a 993 millibar low pressure system located over a portion of Wisconsin. Got a trailing cold front extending all the way down into the Gulf of Mexico. This could produce some severe weather along this front, so have to watch that closely to see if that occurs. I figured it probably will. Later forecast, the Storm Prediction Center will put it in their outlooks for everybody to know that there's a chance of severe weather with that cold front moving through. Alright, there we go. May 1st, got that cold front along the East Coast, pushing offshore, bringing some heavy amounts of precipitation possibly into your Monday of the following week. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the weather radar. Sorry about the pop-up. But anyway, we got there's that rain shield up here in the portion of the northeastern United States, bringing some shower and thunderstorm activity, scattered activity from New York back to Michigan. Also, got some rain and snow showers over here in portions of Minnesota and also North Dakota, South Dakota, and Kansas. Also over here in Tennessee, got a little bit over the northern Bahamas. Also, we have some shower and thunderstorm activity going on over Texas as well. We got some severe weather to talk about as we get closer. When we get later on in the forecast period here, we'll talk about that as well. Got some showers and snow showers over here in the Pacific Northwest from Nevada back into southern Canada. Also over to portions of Washington State and Oregon as well. Around Guam, got scattered activity in your vicinity. Also in Alaska, got mainly offshore there. And the Hawaiian Chain Island, got a few scattered showers there as well. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories for your locations. As you can see, it's pretty quiet across much of the nation, but we do have some frost and freeze warnings in effect for Pennsylvania and also New York, also portions of Indiana, Illinois, western Ohio, and also all of Illinois. Also southern Iowa, you're in a freeze watch. Also northeast Nebraska, you're in a freeze warning. Frost advisory for portions of all of Missouri, also portions of southeast Kansas, also northeast Oklahoma, northern Arkansas, all of Tennessee, and also into western North Carolina with a few freeze warning along the mountain chain there as well in the Appalachian. Special weather statements over Georgia for possible fire weather issues. We have some flood advisories over portions of northwest Wisconsin and northeast Minnesota. Some flood warnings across eastern North Dakota. Also, we have some flood advisory over northern Montana. Some winter storm watches in effect for portions of Montana as well. Some hydro issues over southeast Idaho. Some red fire weather statements there in northern Colorado. Got a severe thunderstorm watch with plenty of severe thunderstorm warning going on in southern Texas, and some special marine warnings there as well. Alaska, you got some wind advisory there, and also some winter weather advisories also in effect for your region. And the Hawaiian Chain Island looks a-okay. Alright, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. This is today's outlook. General thunderstorms possibility over portions of the Maryland area, Connecticut, Delaware vicinity. Also down in southern Florida as well. Also across Louisiana there, and also back into Texas. and also down into southern Texas. That's where we have a slight risk. The yellow is marginal risk, and the enhanced risk is down there where you've seen that severe weather and general thunderstorms extending from New Mexico all the way into Nevada, and also eastern Oregon and Washington State and western Idaho as well. Alright, the enhanced risk, if you're in the enhanced risk, this includes Brownville, Texas, Harlingen, Texas, Mission, Texas, Pharr, Texas, Edinburgh, Texas. Slight risk, this includes Kingsville, Texas. Marginal risk, this includes Corpus Christi, Texas, Laredo, Texas, Alice, Texas, Portland, Texas, and Robstown, Texas, excuse me. And let's take a look at tornado probability for today. We have 2%. This includes Brownville, Texas, Harlingen, Texas, Mission, Texas, Pharr, Texas, and Edinburgh, Texas. The wind probability, we have 5% in brown, 15 in yellow, 30% in the yellow. The significant severe weather will include Harlingen, Texas. Sorry about that, folks. Let me get back to it here. Wind we was on. All right. Okay, Harlingen, Texas, Mission, Texas, Pharr, Texas, Edinburgh, Texas, and Winslow, Texas. That's a significant severe weather. The 30% is Brownsville, Texas, Harlingen, Texas, Mission, Texas, Pharr, Texas, and Edinburgh, Texas. 15% include Kingsville, Texas, and also portions of 5% include Corpus Christi, Texas, Laredo, Texas, Alice, Texas, Portland, Texas, and Robstown, Texas. And let's take a look at the hail probability. Let's see, the hail probability is 5% in the brown, 15 in yellow, 15% include brown. And let's take a look at your day 2 outlook. As we can see, we got general thunderstorms up around New York and portion of northern Pennsylvania. Also over here around Wisconsin as well. And also back over into Oklahoma, northern Texas, New Mexico, over toward Colorado, back up toward Montana with some general thunderstorm. Also in Florida, and a marginal risk there. The marginal risk, this includes Orlando, Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Pembroke Pines, Florida, Hollywood, Florida, and Coral Springs, Florida. And let's take a look at the tornado probability. It's less than 2% in all areas. The winds, 5%. This includes the same area from Orlando, Florida to Coral Springs, Florida. And also the hail probability is 5%. This includes the same areas from Orlando, Florida, all the way to Coral, Florida, and surrounding vicinity. And let's take a look at your day 3 outlook for severe weather across the nation. As you can see, we have general thunderstorms over central and southern Florida, including the Florida Keys. Also over toward Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, Oklahoma, to southeast Colorado, northwest Kansas, into northern Texas, all the way down into south central Texas. We have a marginal risk in the green and the yellow, slight risk, and the slight risk. This includes Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Garland, Texas, and Irving, Texas. And a marginal risk, this includes Houston, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Shreveport, Louisiana. Okay. That was a mouthful. But anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this weather. I hope you enjoyed this weather we have, because it's the only weather you got. Hope you enjoy the videos. Like these videos, share these videos, and smash that subscribe button, and you're in. Love to have you, and hope everybody has a great day, and we will catch you back in the next one.